So in the previous class we have calculated the change in enthalpy. Now we will try an expression to calculate the change in entropy. Change in entropy. Let us consider the entropy is a function of temperature and volume. If you differentiate this equation, then ds will be equal to differentiation of first function del s by del t at constant volume dt plus differentiation of second function del s by del v at constant temperature dV. Let's say this one is equation 1. Now we know that del s by del t is equal to Cv by T, and if we use Maxwell relation, then it is del s by del V at constant temperature is equal to del P by del T at constant volume. Maxwell relation. So put this value in equation 1, then the change in entropy will be equal to ds will be equal to Cv by T dt plus del P by del T at constant volume dV. So this is required expression to calculate the entropy. Again this has terms of temperature, pressure and volume only. Similarly, if entropy is function of temperature and volume, in that case let's the entropy is a function of temperature. In previous example we consider its function of temperature and volume, and now if it's function of temperature and pressure, so in that case if entropy is function of temperature and pressure, similar to previous example, do the differentiation. So ds will be equal to del s by del t at constant pressure dt plus differentiation of second function del s by del p at constant temperature dp. Let's say this one is equation 5. Now we know del s by del t is equal to Cp by T, and if we use fourth Maxwell relation, it is del V by del T at constant pressure is equal to minus del S by del P at constant temperature. Maxwell relation. So put these value in equation 5, then finally the change in entropy will be equal to Cv by T dt minus del V by del T at constant pressure dP. So in this way we can drive relation to calculate the entropy, which is a function of temperature, pressure, volume terms which are easily calculated. So these are few examples in which we use Maxwell equation to drive important relationship. there can be other example we can you do by yourself.